Yes.
Dear students, we have our trainer, Mr. Shashank here, and I do not know, like we had a discussion with we had a chat with Shashank when we were having our meet your trainer session. Do not know how many of you attended that session, but we have had a meet with Mr. Shashank before. But for the other ones, or in general, as it is the first class, we have Mr. Shashank as our trainer from Mumbai. Shashank, so the next 40 hours are yours, starting from the first 2 hours of today.
Yeah. Yes, of course.
Yes. Shashank, you can please start now. However, you want to start, you want to introduce German or whatever, or however you want to take the subject, it's on you now.
Yes, of course. Yeah. So, yeah, then hello everyone. Hello is how you simply say hi in German. Yeah. So hello everyone. So, it's a 40 hours course, and this is like the basic level of German, which is the A1 level. And yeah, in this particular level, in this particular course, what we will be learning together is very basic structures of German language. And yeah, which includes things like doing a little small talk in German, going meeting out friends, and ordering in restaurants, going out and shopping and stuff like that. So yeah. And yeah, so what I'll do is I will quickly share a link with you people. Yeah, so what you have to do is you just have to click the link, and yeah, then we can begin with our first lesson here together. Mm, wait a moment. 1 second, it's just loading. And yeah, there you have your, yes. Yeah, and so it's just loading a bit. So you'll, yeah, also on your side, it will take a couple of seconds, just to load the presentation.
By the time Shashank, you are uploading the file,
Yes.
students will be sharing an attendance link here in the chat box. You people have to click the link and mark your attendance,
Yeah,
right?
firstly,
Roll
my
number,
link is there. My link is there
your
earlier.
link is here.
So
So we
yeah,
have the link as shared by Mr. Shashank. You can please refer to the link now.
yeah, yeah. So I see already 7 people who have joined here. 10, 11. Yeah. So that's nice. Good. So yeah, I'll just wait for 1 or 2 minutes more so that everyone joins, and we can take it ahead from there. Mm, yeah. So what do you see here on your screen right now? Yeah, what do you see? Can anyone just describe me the picture here? What do you see?
पढ़ के चलाना एक बार।
Yeah,
So
I
people can still comment. आप लोग बस अपने आप को unmute करके
Willkommen.
and you can answer. You can
yes.
unmute yourself and then answer, please, na?
Herzlich willkommen.
Yeah, yeah. Can you say it a little louder?
Herzlich willkommen.
Yeah, it's herzlich willkommen. And what could that mean? Herzlich willkommen. Very much like English. Yeah.
Everyone is welcome.
Ja, herzlich is hearty, so hearty welcome. So herzlich willkommen zu unserem Deutsch course, yeah, to our German course. Yeah, and then quickly we'll go to the next slide. And the same person, she's saying something here. Yeah, I will repeat it once for you. I'll just speak it aloud. Yeah, what this person is saying: Hello, guten Tag, ich heiße Vidisha, is what she's saying. Hallo, guten Tag. Ich heiße Vidisha. Ich komme aus Indien. Ich wohne in Mumbai. Ich spreche Marathi, Hindi, English und Deutsch. So I'll just repeat it once and just pay attention to what how it's pronounced exactly. So, hallo, guten Tag. Ich heiße Vidisha. Ich komme aus Indien. Ich wohne in Mumbai. Ich spreche Marathi, Hindi, English und Deutsch. Yeah. Now I want you people, any one of you who can, just quickly interpret all these sentences. I think we have two greeting words at the beginning and then four different sentences. So what is she talking about here? Can anyone just
Yes, sir, I can say.
yes, please.
Hello, good day.
Yeah,
My name is Vidisha.
yeah,
I am from India.
yeah.
I work in Mumbai.
Uh no. What else could it be? It's wohne in Mumbai. What else can
I
you
work. I
not?
was born in Mumbai. No.
I'm from Mumbai.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, very good. So I live in Mumbai is
Okay,
what
I
you want.
live in Mumbai.
And
I speak Marathi, Hindi, English, and German.
exactly now, uh, this particular animated person is speaking about herself, but we are here, so many live people here. So we will try to do it, with our information. I'll replace all these names, all these words with whatever which belongs to me. Okay, so ich heiße Shashank. Yeah. So firstly, I mean the greetings are of course. So hallo, guten Tag. Ich heiße Shashank. Ich komme aus Indien. Ich wohne in Navi Mumbai. Ich spreche Marathi, Hindi, Englisch, Deutsch und Französisch. So that's about myself in German. So I would like, I would like to listen to you with your first words in German. So I need two people who can do the same, but with their information. So who would do that first?
So can I
Yeah, who was that first person?
Monica?
Yes, Monica.
Yes.
Yeah,
Hallo, guten Tag.
yeah.
Ich heiße Monica.
Ich heiße,
Heiße.
hmm,
Okay. Ich heiße Monika.
Hmm.
Ich komme aus Indien.
Yeah.
Ich wohne in Haryana.
Hmm.
Ich spreche
Hmm.
Hindi, English und
Und Deutsch.
Deutsch.
Okay, yeah, very good, Monica. So these are your first sentences in German. Congratulations, and your introduction, a basic introduction is ready. I would need one more person.
Yes, sir, I can.
Yeah, who's that?
I'm Sanjay Johnson.
Yeah, Sanjay, please.
Hallo, guten Tag. Ich heiße Sanjay.
Hmm.
Ich komme aus Indien.
Yeah,
Ich wohne in Kerala. Ich spreche Hindi, English und Malayalam.
yeah, they're good. Perfect. Very nice.
Danke.
Yeah. You already know German, is it?
I have learned in some YouTube a bit, not so familiar, but some words I had just brushed through. That's
Yeah,
all.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Of course, yeah. I mean, that will always be helpful, when we go ahead. Yeah, so very nice. Good. So now we will, go one by one here, and we will begin with Nama. Nama. Yeah, Nama is, of course, name. And here, Ish Heiser Vidisha is what she's saying. So the phrase you have for name Ish is Ish Heiser. So I would, just call out your name and, just try to just say your name in German here. So ich heiße Shashank, uh, who I can begin with Devendra. If you can, say your name in German. Yeah, I think, you can go, one by one. Who will like to do it first?
Yes, sir. I'm Devendra.
Yeah, Devendra. Okay.
Yes, sir. Guten Tag. Is Haisa Devendra.
Yeah, perfect. The next person, who was that?
So can I?
Yeah, please.
Hallo, guten Tag. Ich heiße Rupkrishna.
Yeah, wonderful. So next person.
So can I?
Yes, yes, of course. I mean, you just go ahead and say.
Uh,
You don't.
Hello,
Yeah.
hello, guten Tag.
Hmm.
Ich heiße Pratiksha.
Okay, Pratiksha. Very good.
Sir, may I?
Yes, of course.
Hello, guten Tag. Ich heiße, I am Madhuri Singh.
Sorry, I didn't get it. Can you repeat it, please?
Okay. Hello, guten Tag. Ich heiße, I am Madhuri Singh.
Ich heiße and just your name.
Madhuri.
Okay, yeah, perfect.
Can I?
Yeah, you can also, include your last name as well, but that we'll see ahead.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Sir, can
And who was that? I hear one more voice here.
I? Yes, sir. Hello.
Shubham, is this?
Hello. Hello.
Yeah.
Guten
Yeah, yeah.
Guten Tag. Ich heiße.
Sorry, I didn't get that. Can you repeat it?
Hello.
Mm, sorry, yeah. I couldn't hear, unfortunately, the one who was, very, very low voice it was. So,
Okay.
Hallo, guten Tag. Ich heiße Kartika.
okay, perfect, Kartika. So, yeah, let us move on to our second sentence. Yeah. And that would be, we were talking about land. Yeah, the second sentence was ich komme aus Indien. And yeah, like I think Sanjay mentioned it or someone. So I come from India. So this is what this girl is saying. Ich komme aus Indien. Yeah, pay attention to the spelling of Indian. That is with E, yeah, and not A. So ich komme aus Indien. Yeah, and then I'll just say about myself. Ich komme aus Indien. Anyone from you?
Ich komme aus Indien.
Yeah, ich komme aus Indien.
Ich komme aus Indien.
Yeah, perfect.
Is,
Indian.
is
Wow.
comma us Indian.
Ish, comma out.
Ash Indian.
Is, aus Indian.
Perfect. Yeah. So ish, comma out Indian. Yeah. And I guess most of, I mean, almost all of us come from India. So let's make it more interesting and get to know where are you from actually. Yeah. And does anyone remember what was the sentence for that? What was she saying?
Ich wohne in Mumbai.
Yes. Yes. Perfect. So that is Wohnort, the place of residence, Wohnort. And she's saying ich wohne in Mumbai. And
Ishwana in West Bengal.
okay, ich wohne in West Bengal. Ich wohne in Navi Mumbai. So that's my city where I live. Yep.
Ishwana in Uttar Pradesh.
Ishwana in Uttarakhand.
Okay. Can you please mention your cities instead of the states?
Ishwana in Gurgaon.
Okay, in Gurgaon.
Ishwana in Thane.
In
Thane, Mumbai.
Yeah, in Thane. Okay, all right.
Ishwana in Kochi.
In Kochi. Yeah.
Ishwana in Guwahati.
Who is that?
Ishwana in Patna.
Me.
Okay. Yeah. And Patna, we have one person here.
Ishwana in Aurangabad.
In Aurangabad, Maharashtra.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And?
Is Swane in Uttarakhand.
Okay. So now let's make it, because I can just listen to the cities. Just add one more sentence. Ish Haisa Shashank, your name, and then the place of residence. So Ish Haisa Shashank, Ish wohne in Navi Mumbai. So yeah, the next person, the name and your place of residence. So
Is Aisha Madhuri. Ishwane in Kolkata.
Okay, very good, very good.
Ich heiße Kartika. Ich komme aus Indien. Ich wohne in Khandwa.
Okay, that's in Madhya Pradesh, right?
Yeah.
Ich heiße Asha.
Yes.
Ich heiße Asha.
Ich
wohne
in
West Bengal, Kolkata.
Okay, in Kolkata. Okay. The next person.
Ich heiße Rupkrishna. Ich wohne in Guwahati.
In Guwahati. Wow. So next person who would try.
Ish Harsha Ravi. Ishwana in Gurgaon.
In Gurgaon. Okay. Yeah, we will have two more people who can,
Ich heiße Disha. Ich wohne Uttar Pradesh.
In Uttar Pradesh. Yeah. Okay. One
Ich Name Subbalakshmi.
Ich heiße.
Ich heiße Subbalakshmi. Ich wohne in Thane.
Okay, Thane. Yeah. And then moving from the place of residence, we will quickly go to Kraken. We had to begin with, we had the word, first information was Nama, the name, land, that is the country. We had then Wohnort, place of residence, Sprachen, languages. Okay. And how is she telling about her languages? Ich spreche Marathi, Hindi. Yeah, and pay attention how English is actually pronounced. It's English. Yeah, not English, English. So E is A here. So English. So ich spreche Marathi. I hear some disturbance. Can you please mute yourself? Yeah, excuse me. I hear some disturbance from somewhere. Yeah, now I think it's good. Okay. So ich spreche, yeah, it's sure. So ich spreche Marathi, Hindi, English und Deutsch. Okay.
Ich spreche.
Yeah, we'll move on to the next, the blank slide. So this was about her, and about you. You know a little bit German, right? You know 4 sentences in German, so that's a little bit German, right? So I have another word there, a pair of words there. Can you try and read that? That is ein bisschen. Ein bisschen Deutsch. So a little bit German. Yeah. So I will tell about my languages here. Ich spreche Marathi, Hindi, English, Deutsch und ein bisschen Französisch. So I also speak a little French. So that is Französisch. Yeah. So who was that who was trying to tell about languages?
Hello.
Yeah.
Guten Tag. Ich heiße Suba. Ich spreche Malayalam, Hindi, English und Spanish.
And Spanish, oh wow, that's great.
Yeah.
Yeah. So ich spreche. Yeah,
Spreche.
Yeah. Who would do that? Next one about the languages. Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, ich spreche Hindi, English, Haryanvi, and English and Deutsch.
Yeah, that is und. Und is and, yeah. Und ein bisschen Deutsch. Bisschen. Yeah, ein bisschen Deutsch.
Ein bisschen Deutsch.
Perfect. Deutsch. It is. Okay. And yep, the next person who will do that. Yeah, but with your name then. Yeah, ich heiße, your name, and then tell me about your languages. So, yeah. Who would go ahead and.
Ich heiße Pratiksha. Ich spreche Marathi, Hindi, English und ein bisschen Deutsch.
Deutsch. It's oi, doi. So Deutsch. There. Wait, I think some people don't have the link here. I've shared it again. Yeah. Okay, so next person who would do that for me? About yeah, Madhuri.
Ich heiße Rupkrishna.
Okay.
Ich spreche Assamese, Hindi, English, Espanol und Deutsch.
Okay, so Rupkrishna, this is English, not English. That
Yes,
is
English.
English. And for Spanish, you have the word in German for Spanish.
Spanish.
Spanish. Okay. Can you try it again?
Spanish.
The whole language.
Okay.
Yeah, actually.
Ich spreche Assamese, Hindi, English, Spanish und Deutsch.
Yeah. Okay, sehr good. Very good.
Thank you.
And ich heiße Madhuri. Ich spreche Hindi, English, Bengali, and a bisschen Dutch. Und
ein bisschen Deutsch. Okay. Can you say it again without the hiccups in between?
Okay.
Yeah.
Ich heiße Madhuri. Ich spreche Hindi, English, Bengali und ein bisschen Deutsch.
Yeah. So, yeah, the next person who would do that?
Guten Tag, ich heiße Devendra.
Hmm.
Ich spreche Hindi, Bengali, English und Deutsch.
Yeah.
Dankeschön.
Deutsch, that is, yeah, Devendra. Perfect. And who would do that next?
Sir, can I?
Yeah, of course.
Ich heiße Monica.
Hmm.
Ich spreche Hindi, spreche Hindi, English, English und ein bisschen Deutsch.
Yeah, Monica, just repeat it after me. Ich spreche, that is English. Und ein bisschen Deutsch. And once more the whole sentence then. Ich spreche.
Ich spreche Hindi, English, English und ein bisschen Deutsch.
Perfect, yeah. Yeah, the next.
Hallo, guten Tag. Ich heiße Kartika. Ich spreche Englisch, Hindi und ein bisschen Deutsch und Französisch.
Französisch, wow. Yeah. Very good, Kartika. And yeah, next, who would like to do that again? The languages part.
Ich heiße Sanjay. Ich spreche Englisch, Malayalam, Hindi und ein bisschen Deutsch.
Okay, danke, Sanjay. And yeah, another person here.
Ich heiße Ravi. Ich spreche Hindi. Spreche Hindi. English. Bengali, Haryanvi und ein bisschen Deutsch.
Okay, perfect. Very good. Yeah,
Ich heiße Asha. Ich spreche Englisch, Hindi, Bengali und
ein bisschen Deutsch. Okay. Yeah, Asha. Yeah, who is that? The next one? Can you go ahead and say it? I think that was Gagan, is it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Gagan. So,
Ich Gagan. Ich
heiße
Hindi.
Ich heiße Gagan.
Ich heiße. Ich spreche Hindi.
Yeah, Gagan, we lost you, unfortunately. Who would do that next for me? Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Hello, ich heiße Nish. Ich spreche Malayalam, Tamil, Englisch und Deutsch.
Ein bisschen Deutsch.
Und ein bisschen Deutsch.
Okay, danke, Nidish.